Did you know that you can make money out of Google search? Today, in this video, I will show you how. To be honest, this method is not easy. It will not make you rich in 1 week. But it is one of the best methods I use to make money online. And few people know about it. And I really didn't find anyone on YouTube talking about it in the way I will show you today. I'm getting excited. Let's drink some water and let's start. When you open Google and search for something, Google will automatically suggest some keywords. This is called Google Auto Suggestions. Okay, so let me reveal this little secret. If we copy this weird text here and we paste in our browser and hit enter, look at this magic. You get Google Auto Suggestions in your browser. Let's add a space and then letter A. Hit enter and you can see now we have alphabetical auto suggestions. Let's try adding verses, VS, and we get now comparison keywords. Let's try adding a what before our query. Now we get questions, question keywords. Really awesome. Now, let me show you another secret that will blow your mind. Let's open any keyword tool. Let's say keywordtool.io. It's a paid service. And focus on the word paid. It costs around $89 per month. It's really expensive. Let's do a keyword research here and the tool will give you auto suggestions with some hidden metrics. You have to pay to get these metrics. But now I will open my little secret, my black magic keyword tool. Let's enter the same keyword and wow! More than 500 keywords with metrics for free. What's happening here? It's becoming more dangerous now. I need to drink some water. Okay, so what now? How to make money out of what I explained and showed you in a little bit. Let me share with you 5 ideas. Number 1, you have to know something. That services like Keyword Tool, like Answer the Public that shows you question keywords and prepositions, or maybe Ubersuggest, SEMrush Keyword Tool, all these expensive keyword research tools use these secrets behind the scenes. Even my website, H Super Tools, uses this. But the difference is that my website is totally free. I think I deserve a like for that. So number 1, you can simply build a keyword tool and provide it as a SaaS service or maybe as a free tool as I do and monetize it. Number 2 is to build an API on top of this and sell it on Rapid API and other marketplaces. Competition is still low, so take action. More info about this in a little bit. Stay tuned. Number 3, use these secret methods and tools, free tools, to do in-depth keyword research and provide as a freelancing gig online. Number 4, simply use these methods for your own business and save a lot of money on these expensive tools. Or simply use H Super Tools, my free website. Makes sense, huh? Number 5, combine all these together and build multiple income streams. Good idea. Okay, now it's time to share with you some secret details. I want to give you something for free, so keep watching. The Black Magic Keyword Tool is a tool I built really after doing intensive research for more than 1 month and without using ChatGPT. Really. And in seconds, I will give you the full code, this free tool, with all the details on how to use it and everything else. Come on, I really deserve a like. Go and smash the like button. But before I give you the tool, let me first tell you that this is the first video in our new detective series in 2023. In this series of videos, I will reveal secrets behind big services and tools, how they work. I will give you the codes, the methods, everything so you can build similar websites or build something new after shaking your brain and getting some more ideas. This series really is unique on YouTube, on the internet maybe. So I don't think you want to miss any update, any video. So don't forget the notifications. In the description below, you will find a link to a full guide with the source codes, with all the details you want, about the methods we explained today. So I hope this video inspires you to do something in 2023, build a real business, or at least test and learn something new. And let us end this video with a quote that may motivate you to take an action. Oh, I forgot. You can always make use of ChatGPT, the new AI bot. It can help you build similar tools. Or use the code I will give you to build tools like keyword tools and much more. So play with it a little bit, use it as an assistant for you. It will help you a lot while working online. For example, last week I explained 3 methods you can make money out of ChatGPT. 3 unique methods. If you want to learn more about this, you can check this video here. If you have any questions, I'll be waiting for you in the comments section. I hope you enjoyed. See you soon.